Pro Digital is going global. So it's going to take its business to many countries today. Delegates from Poland, Singapore and Australia visited and they were very impressed and they want to bring these technologies to their countries. This is what we need in India.
Very sophisticated business, which I can see as being very relevant to our times in different sectors.
Some of the interfaces here is seen to be believed. The kind of transparent screens and the OLED screens and the ability to customize every experience and bringing stories to life. I think this is going to be truly path-breaking.
Marcin Jabłoński, Vice President Chamber of Commerce, Exporters and Importers. It's my first time in Bengaluru and it's a great pleasure to visit you. This is a huge potential for the further cooperation and I really expect to return here and to meet you again very soon.
Namaskara Bangalore, Ritesh from Australia. It is actually fantastic and amazing tech that I've seen here. I can only say that how much work has actually gone behind creating something amazing like this. All the best, very well done, good luck.
Typically, what I understand from this show is there are so much of opportunity that the Government of India as well as Government of Karnataka is trying to exhibit here by various PSUs. One of the leading company that I have come across is Pro Digital Labs, which are providing extensively unseen, unaware solutions that can be designed for different government verticals.
Young people like Deepu need to take this type of business to all over the world and create competitiveness. All the best, Deepu.